Welcome back viewers. Now in today's video we are going to change the kernel policy from the user space that we are kept in the last video and change it over to performance, and the power profile mode or the power profile for the system will be kept at performance only. We will not change this. Now we have to apply it to the system. That is done. Now we have to start the test. So you have to open the folder where the executable or the bin file for the Geekbench is there. Open a terminal, issue this command, and the test has started. Now we wait for the test to complete, then we will check the results. And we will do a final testing between the first 3 tests and the later 3 tests, where we kept first 3 tests we kept the power profile in the balance mode, and in the next last 3 tests we had kept the performance mode for the performance power mode for the all the last 3 tests. So that will give us a good comparison. And we are using the Liquorix kernel for all our testing. So we are keeping the Liquorix kernel same. So we had kept the Liquorix kernel as it is in the balance power profile test and in the performance power profile test. So 3 tests is for balanced as well as the performance power mode, and we had kept the Liquorix kernel as it is. We have used Liquorix kernels in all the 6 tests. Now the multi-core test has started. So the test is complete, and now we will check out the scores. I will save it to the bookmarks menu. Yes. Now we will just first compare it with the earlier test. So 1233 4045 is 4035 1230. So there is absolutely no change. Almost just few points here and there with the earlier test scores, and we will check one by one. The first test we are done. These are the scores. Now you can check out the individual test scores for the first test that we did. Okay. So I will go it slowly little bit so you can compare it easily. Check the scores. Okay. Hope you have checked out everything. Now we will go to the next test. This was the third test for the balanced power profile. Third and final test for the balanced power profile. Check the scores. Done. Now we will move over to the performance power profile, and we will check by one for all the governor profiles. Hope you are following me to the video. Okay, now the second test for the performance power profile. Check the scores. Now the individual score for each of the test, single core as well as multi-core. Now the final, that is performance governor with the performance power mode, and the score results don't change much, only few points difference here and there in the final scores for single and multi-core. Check this out. That's it. I think the best scores were for this. Let me check. Yes, the best scores were for this. That is the user space governor with the balanced power mode, I think, and this also was better. Let me check. Yes, this is also, no, this was the best scores. So it was the balanced power profile along with the user space governor. So we got the best results for the Geekbench 6.5 test. So that is the conclusion of our series of videos where we did the performance test, that is the Geekbench 6.5 performance test on a system with Debian Trixie or Debian 13 install. So that's it for today's video. We will continue to do such interesting performance tests on different Linux distributions. Be with us, like and share our videos, and do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.